The Dire Avengers were the first amongst the aspect warriors of the Aeldari. They represent the Aeldari war god Caleb Menshakain in his aspect as the noblest and yet most merciless of warriors. The Dire Avengers show no mercy to their foes and are unwavering in their devotion to their people. These warriors are the least specialised and the most tactically flexible of all of the warrior aspects, as they serve Aeldari armies as elite ranged infantry. The Dire Avengers are also the most common of the warrior aspects amongst the Aeldari, and their shrines are the largest to be found on all of the craft worlds. Dire Avengers take to the field armed with Avenger Shuriken catapults. These elegant weapons are even more advanced than the Shuriken catapults used by the craft world Guardians. Their lethal volleys echo the death of 1,000 blades, the punishment that Cain metes out upon the traitors and cheats who are unworthy of a clean kill. Come build, collect and play. Check out your local Warhammer store for more.